So, to be a broken record, once again, the Canadians have decided to freeze the bank accounts of anybody who might have donated to the truckers. They have that ability to. Lots of people are finding their accounts frozen. Like this hardworking individual.
I mean, I'm not even the guy that does strategy. I don't do videos. I do ground operations, and I comply with the instructions that are given to me. I have to pass it on to you. I'm not involved in your boss. I get it.
So that is the government, our Prime Minister, declaring his War Measures Act, the Desperate Measures Act, of freezing my account and many others.
Telling you the forward strategy and the back end strategy.
I'm curious, does that scare you or does that empower you? I can tell for me, it definitely doesn't scare me. We have many ways to go around this. There are a lot of resources, but I'm curious. Answer the poll here.
So you've saved your whole life. You've put your energy away and saved it, saving the money that that energy represents. Imagine that as a form of fat that keeps you sustained during periods where you're lacking sustenance. During the winter, you can hibernate. Maybe you don't have to expend that energy because you haven't saved. And here the government comes and steals it all away in one fell, draconian, authoritarian swoop. This is Canada today. This is a Western democracy. And once again, they are demonstrating what they will do with power. And with each moment that we give over to them and we bow down, they take more and more and set it in stone, making it much tougher to push them back. I want all these mandates, all these authoritarian measures employed by Western governments around the world to control their population vaporized. Trudeau is using the Emergency Powers Act to lock down anybody who he disagrees with, anybody who has an alternative opinion. They just announced today, oh, you know, if you support the truckers there, and you support Donald Trump, well, you better be real afraid. This is not a democracy when you're not able to speak, when you're not able to raise your voice in for what you believe in. This is fascism. This is communism. However you want to put it, this is a centralized authority that deems what is and what is not acceptable. This is true evil in the world. And it will come at you because they know what's best. And they will decree what is best for you, what is best for your family. And if you disagree, then you'll be on the chopping block. And will roll your head down the bowling alley and knock over the other pins that they desire via the fear that your decapitation, whether real or figurative, offers them as a tool. The tools here are Justin Trudeau and his henchmen and accomplices that threaten the Canadian population. And we must all fight back against these horrific leftists that want to impose their will upon us. Stand up for freedom before it's too late. And to all those people that say that they support the Canadian measures, that they are tired of living with the honking in Ottawa, would you rather live with a little bit of honking for a few weeks or be under the boot of tyranny forever? Peace and blessings. Thumb up the video, share the video, and subscribe. Hit the all notification bell. Peace.